Want to fix your birthday on TikTok after entering it wrong? Unfortunately, TikTok doesn't offer an in-app setting to edit your date of birth once your profile is created. But there is a supported workaround. First, open the TikTok app and go to your profile by tapping the icon in the bottom right corner. Then tap the three-line menu in the top right and choose Settings and Privacy, scrolling down until you see Report a Problem. In the Report a Problem screen, select Account and Profile, and then Editing Profile. Since birthday isn't one of the predefined options, tap Other at the bottom of the list. In the description box, clearly explain that you entered the wrong birth date when you signed up and specify your correct date in the format mm/dd/YYY. If TikTok requests verification, attach a scan or photo of a valid ID that matches your requested birth date. Finally, tap Report to submit your request. TikTok support typically responds in a few days and can update your birthday on their end. If you don't hear back or your request is denied, your alternative is to create a second TikTok account with the correct birth date. TikTok allows multiple accounts under the same app. Just tap your username at the top of your profile to add or switch between accounts. This way, you can continue using the platform without losing your existing content. If this helped you, tap like, drop a comment with any questions, and subscribe for more contents like this.